In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn notifications on or off in Microsoft Outlook on the web. Whether you want to stay updated with every email or need a quiet workspace without pop-ups, adjusting notifications in Outlook's web version is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you're alerted or not according to your preference. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Microsoft Outlook's website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Microsoft Outlook in your preferred search engine. Once you arrive on the page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the sign in option. Give that a click to proceed. With the sign in page open, enter your email and password. This will grant you access to your personal Outlook account. Once you're successfully logged in, look once again towards the top right corner. You'll notice a small gear icon which represents your settings. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you can control various attributes of your account. In the settings drop-down menu, you'll need to locate the section labeled General. Clicking on this will open even more options on the left-hand side of your screen. From these choices, find and select Notifications. Now you're in the right place to manage your email alerts. Here, you'll see the main option for enabling or disabling notifications. If you want to turn on notifications, make sure the toggle is switched to the on position. You'll know it's on when it changes color, usually to blue or green depending on your theme. Conversely, to disable notifications, simply toggle it off. Before you finish, don't forget a crucial step. Click on the Save button. This will ensure that any changes you've made to your notification settings are securely updated in your account. If you overlook this, your settings might revert to their previous state, undoing all your hard work. And that's it. Following these steps allows you to manage when and how you receive notifications for your emails in Microsoft Outlook on the web. This small adjustment can make a world of difference, enabling you to decide if you want to stay constantly in the loop or prefer a more focused environment without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life. Thanks for watching and see you next time.